Do you want to learn how to easily find the first video published by a YouTube channel? In this video, I'll show you how to find and watch the first upload of any YouTube channel. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you are using the latest version of the YouTube mobile application. If you have an update available, then go ahead and update the app to the latest version. After that, open the app. So now what you want to do next is go over to the YouTube channel that you want to see the first upload of. Once you are on their YouTube channel, tap Videos, and then tap the oldest button over here. And now the first video at the top is their very first video that they've uploaded to YouTube. You can simply tap on it to watch it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.